what the weather's like now again. We're down at 7,500 meters. The weather hasn't got any better. This is one of the climbs we really struggled coming down from summit. It's really a race against time now to try and get them down to ABC at 6,400. We'll hopefully go down now to 7,000, maybe get some warm drinks in it, and then make our way on down to ABC. As you can see, the weather has really got worse. So it has as the days progress, and our second group is hoping to go for summit at 11 o'clock tonight. The weather would need to get a lot better so that they would be able to go for summit. I'm going to swim in around. Hopefully we'll get into camp if everything goes according to plan about 11 or 12 o'clock tonight. If the weather gets any better, I'll try and do some more videos. Bye!